Hey there, welcome to the channel on a very blustery and rainy day here in Tahoe. Time to move on. The bike's packed. I had to just buy a poncho from that little shop there to keep this dry, hopefully. Hopefully it works. It should be okay. I've got, let's have a look on the map, 2 hours and 10 minutes. It's only 98 kilometres. I'm not going the way this is showing at the moment. I'm going the longer way along the coast. Guarantee it's going to take me 4 hours. It's now 11 o'clock. If I get there by 3 o'clock, that'd be nice. I'm hoping the room that I've booked in the hotel that I've booked looks absolutely sensational, and I'm hoping it lives up to the pictures on booking.com. If it doesn't, then there's going to be a scathing review, because I'm really looking forward to this. I'll show you when we get there. That's some wild water out there today, bigger than yesterday. Alright, we'll make a move. Only come about 500 metres. As I said, it could be an interesting day. It's been raining for a lot of this morning, like really raining. I'm taking the scenic coast road, I think I just said. If I see something interesting, we'll all see. Well, the road has slowly been deteriorating. Good news is I had a brief shower. It wasn't long enough for me to put the raincoat on, so we persevere. Keep going up here for maybe another 15 kilometres and turn left. Then I have to stick to a secondary road. I would call this a third road. A secondary road for maybe 10 kilometres, then back onto the back roads. Let's do this. So you just ride randomly along, you come across this nice roads. Obviously going to be some houses or something here. Eventually. All the electricity is ready to go. The water there, they've got the fire hydrant. All the footpaths done. Adjacent to a tiny little village over there. Well, it's about lunchtime. Not sure where I am. Find something to eat. Stopped at one place, but they didn't have what I wanted, so I'm going to continue on to the next town or village. Can't be that far. they're not very far apart. Probably get somewhere in 10 or 15 minutes. Look at all the flags. A bit of a wood milling town. There's been a number of them actually. So, you know, this is just your standard size logs. Pretty big. Hardwood logs. But check this out over here. This blows my mind. Have a look at the size of that. It's been squared off. There you go. It's up to my over my shoulder. So what? A good 5 foot. That is a big log. Can you imagine how big that tree must have been? Absolutely enormous. More hidden under there, more over there. This must be the area for it, because there's been a number of these milling yards. More there, huge slabs there. More down there. Ah, big slabs. Jeez. No luck with lunch yet. It's probably a bit before 12 anyway. I shall continue on. There's a toll road just there. Other bikes are going through, but my maps tell me I have to go turn right just here and go all the way around, which I will do, because why not? Wow, 1 hour just to there. Oh yeah, so probably there's still another 2 hours to go, I guess, at least. I probably should go on the toll road like everyone else, because as you can see, this ain't much of a road, but at least it's paved.
No, đi không được, no.
No.
Không được, hết đường.
No good.
Quốc lộ.
Through the toll road.
Hết đường.
Okay, hang on.
Hết đường. Hết đường rồi.
Let me work
Đi
this.
quay cho biết ha. Đi quay ha.
Yes. Take film. Let me see.
Chỗ nào đâu? Chỗ nào đâu chỉ cho.
So I can go on the toll road.
Vậy tôi có thể đi trên đường thu phí. Đây lên đây.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Qua đây.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Can't go that way. Have to go on that toll road. Make my day a little bit shorter anyway. No food yet, but hopefully time for a coffee break. Hello. Got myself, well, there's a coffee there. These are delicious. This coffee, it's hot, and the condensed milk is on the bottom. Oh, this is a hot tea for a change. They're normally lukewarm. This one's warmer than lukewarm. Nice. Sweet, yet bitter. I've got a fair way to go. I think I've got to get off this main road pretty soon, I hope. Oh, not far at all, I'm nearly. Oh, it's only 20 more kilometres to go. And it's only 1:30. I might detour around this point here. Just because I can. Oh no, it's much further. That's just where I had to make sure it turned off. So I just put a marker there to make sure that I don't go up that road, because that's the coast road I want to go to, and where I want to be is way up here. Probably that's 20 kilometres, probably about 40, maybe 45 kilometres. Well done. All right, we move forward. Get some food in here. I'm looking forward to it. I am starving. The omelette doesn't just come by itself, it comes with other things. Chili. There's my chef. Some chili down there. Just my eggs. Not quite an omelette, but anyway. And this pork is seriously hot. It is very, very hot. Spicy. We'll carry on. You might be able to tell by the flags that it's been a very windy day. A little bit difficult to ride this very lightweight scooter. I haven't been able to film very much in the last bit as I'm going along. It has been so windy, I'm using both hands just to control the bike. I probably should have you up there on my helmet, but the attachment for that is way down in my bag somewhere. Might be a bit of coastline coming up. See how the wind goes for a moment. If you see it, it's because I can hang on to the camera. They're pretty big waves down there. Maybe 6 foot, 8 foot. Took a slight detour. Saw a little side road. Came up to get this view. Little village down there. Looks like a nice hotel with a pool, that white one. fishing boats. And there's some sort of building out on that little island there. Pity about the weather. Shame about the weather. Pretty much a horrible day for riding the scooter. There's been intermittent rain and just the wind. I'm out of the wind now. I'm blocked by, I guess, this. It's blowing a gale just there. So yes, terrible day for scootering. I don't think I see too much more. I'll go over there. Don't really want to go too far up here. Probably a fairly steep cliff right there. Alright, I think that might do. Unless I see something really good. I'll see you at the hotel. Just been let in the room. I haven't even turned around yet to see what it looks like. Let's have a look together. Not too bad. It's big. 2 beds over there. Shower in the bath. It's just okay. Shampoo, etc. Fridge is always good. Big TV that'll never get turned on. And, well, first of all, let's just check out. Yeah, that's alright. A bit firm, but it's okay. And the couch, not bad. It'll do. This is why I got it, for the couch. Let's see if we've got any sort of view from the balcony. Not bad. Not bad. Got the mountains just there. Only on the 11th floor. It's got a washing machine. That'll be handy. 20... Oh, it's even got a footstool. Oh, no, it's not. Well, if that's a footstool, it's the worst footstool ever. $26 Australian per night. I'm happy with that. I can't see any actual cooking facilities, but it's very rare that I cook. Oops. It's very rare that I cook. So rare that I can't even remember the last time I did it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Oh, I didn't tell you where I am because I don't know how to say it. I'm going to put it on the screen there. That's where I am. When I figure out how to say that name of this city, I'll let you know. Let's explore tomorrow.